Ugh, celestial traditions.
My dear Lily, even in the darkest night, there is always a small star, a quiet light.
Whoa!
Ah, young Lily, sometimes the most profound lessons are not found in books or screens, but in the quiet wisdom of the natural world.
The moon is truly magnificent.
The moon represents completeness, the successful end of a harvest.
That's a curious little rabbit.
Ho Ngok's tireless work is a symbol of gentle persistence and quiet service.
This, Lily, is a mooncake.
This Bánh Trung Thu, or mooncake, perfectly embodies the full moon.
Do you understand my story, little one? Took the elixir and flew to the moon, forever separated from her husband. So, how can the moon represent both reunion and separation? Cherish every moment, for the moon's solitude teaches the profound value of presence. Hu Yi, my beloved, placed his favorite offerings, toasting my memory. We remember those who are no longer with us.
And appreciate those who are.
They are beacons, guiding me back, or illuminating paths for wanderers.
Bà ngoại. Bà ngoại, what are you making?
And the Moon Goddess. And bà ngoại, it's about not forgetting people.
Yes, that is right.
The lanterns are... for decoration.
The Mid-Autumn Festival is very special. In ancient times, after a good harvest, villagers would parade lanterns through the fields. These carp represent strength and perseverance. They swim upstream to become dragons. This boat panel is for all travelers, like your parents.
Yeah.
The moon, like the mooncake, reminds us of completeness.
Quá lá kìa. Hi, Dad. We are lighting lanterns for you. Huh?
I love you, Dad.
Happy Mid-Autumn Festival. I've got a mooncake. I've got a mooncake.
Share the circle, my dear. She understands that the Mid-Autumn Festival is a living promise, a circle of light and memory.